especially to the Southwest board here on Aruba today. Welcome to our shores. As you have seen, we have brought the shores here at the airport. It's a great day for us, certainly on behalf of the Minister of Tourism. As you may know, due to health issues of his dad, is in Curacao. He can't be present today. But certainly on behalf of the government, this is a great moment. It's a historic moment, as just mentioned before. Aruba's main economic pillar is tourism, and we're very glad that you chose Aruba as one of the first destinations for the Southwest and the Caribbean to be part of your plan of economic development. For us, again, this means that we have more partners in our tourism industry who are working together with Aruba and with our partners here locally on enhancing the capacity, enhancing also the product that we're trying to sell to the world. And basically you're supporting this effort also by choosing Aruba as one of your destinations. Again, on behalf of the government, it's a great pleasure to be present at such an important moment. As the Minister of Labor, I hope also that this will encourage more jobs here on our island in the tourism industry and the tourism sector. I'm certainly certain of that. So again, I prepared a long and extended speech, but I'm going to keep it short today. Just welcome you all to Aruba and hoping that this will be a successful venture between Aruba as your partner and you as a partner of Aruba. Again, thanks to the Airport Authority, the Aruba Tourism Authority, but also to other stakeholders who have put a lot of work into this great achievement today. Thank you and welcome.
I would like to know, if I come back again, will all of you be up at the jetway with your cameras greeting me? Because I don't think I can repeat that again. So I can't tell you how exciting it is as a Southwest employee to be able to be part of something like this, to be able to be on the first flight into an international destination. I've had the honor of working with this project for the last 2 years, and one of the Southwest employees in the jetway actually had her phone, so it was dialed into the command center, where the people who have really, really worked to make this happen were all waiting to see us get off the airplane. So very exciting. I might have to scoop up some sand to take back with me for them, though. So I do want to thank you. All of our guests and honorees, thank you for being here. Please give the minister our best and tell him his father's in our thoughts. So I would like to say you look a little excited to have Southwest Airlines. You cannot begin to know how excited Southwest is to be here. So thank you very much.